It's always important to test or at least check your content before going live with your show. If you find that you are unable to loop a clip, or if the clip plays back but then skips to the next clip in the PixPad even though auto transition and next are both enabled, your system might be detecting a premature end on that file. Here's an easy way to resolve it. Currently, some content exported from Adobe software can trigger this issue. Fortunately, BroadcastPix production switchers and clip players have a built-in workaround. To check if this is your problem, open the event logs or look at the device control strip on your switcher panel. Now, manually advance to the very end of the clip. Do you see an error message? If so, here's how to fix it. With that same clip selected, tap Controls on the PixPad. Then choose Mark In or Out. Scrub to the last frame of the clip, the one triggering the premature end notification. Then back up a frame or two and tap Mark Out to set a new out point. Now, toggle between the first and last frames to confirm the error is gone. Finally, re-enable Auto Next and/or Auto Transition depending on whether or not you want the clip to loop or advance. That's it. Following these steps will help avoid unexpected playback issues during your live production.